Welcome to the Ansell 360 experience, a virtual tour of the oil and gas industry. Here you can explore Ansell solutions for common tasks and hazards that workers experience in the industry. Click and drag with your mouse in all directions to explore the environment and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. There are 4 environments to explore that represent each segment within the oil and gas industry: upstream offshore, upstream onshore, midstream, and downstream. Click on an icon to explore further. You begin exploring each environment in a bird's eye view, which contains broad categories of common tasks relevant to the environment. Click on a task category to explore further. Inside the task category, click and drag with your mouse to explore the variety of specific tasks and hazards that workers face. Clicking on a task icon will reveal Ansell safety solutions. To learn more about a product, click on the Visit Website button to visit the Ansell product page. To navigate backwards, use the navigation buttons below to go back or to go home. Each environment contains interesting facts about the oil and gas industry. Click on the magnifying glass icon to view this information. In each corner of the tour, click on the icons to reveal additional information about Ansell products and services.